Which of the following is irrational? 0.14, 0.14 bar 16, 0.1416 or 0.401, 4001, 4001, 4 and so on. How can we solve it easily? Or just by looking at these numbers, can we identify which are rational and which are irrational? Yes, we can. In my previous session, I have explained a trick with the help of which you can easily identify the given number as rational or irrational if it is written in its decimal expansion form. Since here we have the decimal expansion form, we can use the same trick. What is the trick? It's simple. You have to check the decimal expansion of the given number. Two conditions are there. You have to check for terminating and you have to check for recurring, based on which you can identify whether the given number is rational or irrational. So the first thing you have to check is whether the given number is terminating or not. If it is terminating, then the given number is rational. You don't need to do anything else. If it is non-terminating, then you have to check whether the given number is recurring or not. If it is recurring, again it is a rational number, nothing else to do. And if it is not recurring, then again you don't have to do anything. It is directly an irrational number. Let's solve this question using this trick. We draw a table to make the things easier for us. In the first column, we write the number. In the second column, we check whether the given number is terminating or not. In the third column, we check whether the given number is recurring or not. Based on these two checks, we will get the result as rational or irrational number. So let's write down our number first. We have 0.14 as the first number, 0.14 bar 16 as the second number, 0.1416 and 0.401, 4001, 4001 and 4 so on. Let's start with the first number 0.14. You can see 0.14, there is nothing after 14, that means it is terminating. So the first check whether the given number is terminating. Yes, nothing else to do. You don't have to check for recurring in this case because it is terminating, so this is not applicable. And since the number is terminating, it is a rational number. Next we have 0.1416. There is a bar over 16, which means that 16 will continue repeating itself without an end to it. That means it is a non-terminating number on the first hand. So in this column where we are checking for the terminating, we get no, this is non-terminating. And in recurring, you can see 16 is repeating. So yes, it is a recurring number. Based on our trick, we know that if a number is non-terminating but recurring, it is a rational number. Next we have 0.1416. There is a bar over 1416. So the first check that we have is terminating. No, it is non-terminating. Is it recurring? Yes, 1416 is repeating itself. So according to our trick, if the number is non-terminating and recurring, it is a rational number. So we get the result as rational number. Now the next is 0.401, 4001, 4001, 4 and so on. It is very clear that it is a non-terminating number. So in terminating we get no. Is it recurring? Just look at it. 401. Then we have 4001. Then we have 4001 and so on. Which means that this is not recurring. There is no pattern which is repeating itself again and again. So here in this column we get no. As per our trick, If it is non-terminating, if it is non-recurring, it is an irrational number. So you can see how easy and simple it was. Very simple trick, just check for terminating and recurring. In case if the number is terminating, it is a rational. If the number is non-terminating but recurring, it is a rational number. And if it is non-terminating as well as non-recurring, it is an irrational number. Pick up any decimal expansion of any given number based on which you can easily identify whether it is a rational number or an irrational number.